Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is your boy Richie. I was having a problem with my Honda Civic. It will crank but won't start. I checked the fuses right here. I checked the fuses right there, and what do you know? It still wouldn't start. And I went to the junkyard, got me a couple of these fuel relays, popped them in, and what do you know? It still didn't start. So I went to the back, took off the seat, connected some wires to the pump, and it was pumping, but yet it still didn't start. So come on, you guys, I'll show you my solution, and hopefully I can help some of you guys out. Alright, so I took off the cover right here, came to the fuse box. See that fuse right? Sorry, my camera's kind of blurry. Okay, see that 30 right there next to that 10 up there with the yellow housing around it? Well, I switched that one off, and what do you know? It started. So that was my solution. Please like and subscribe. You know, hopefully I helped you guys out. Well, that was the solution to this 94 Honda Civic. It would not start. It will crank, but not start it. So now it starts. So like and subscribe, please, and let me know what you think.